Hello everyone. So in this video tutorial I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to run Ollama on your machine. If you are new to Ollama, so Ollama is a game changer. It gives you a way of running AI locally on your machine. You don't need the likes of ChatGPTs, Cloud or Gemini. So first thing first, so to start the download, you go to the Ollama official website. You can just type Ollama and it just, so we'll choose, just click on the first one. We'll do it really quick. You don't need to go through a lot of steps. So just come to downloads. So I'm using Windows on my machine. You might be using Mac. So just head to download. And so I'll pick for Windows. Yep, and that's it, and I'll give it a moment to download. It will just start downloading shortly. Yes, so I'll just pause a video really quick until it finishes to download, then I'll come back. So we'll proceed with the next step, which is to install. So to install, if you're still on Windows, just right click and run install, run as administrator, and the installation will begin shortly. Yeah, then click on install. Just follow the prompts, it's super simple. So this will take some time to finish installing. Installation is complete, so you just have to verify your installation by running few commands. Actually it's just one command. You can type like Ollama -- version Ollama to verify the version you've installed. So at the moment I've installed the version 0.51, which is the latest. So that shows the Ollama is up and running on our local machine. Now to run the LLMs, we'll have to go back to the Ollama's official website, and we'll have to choose a model to run. So there are quite a number of them. So we have LLaMA 3.3. This works with the like ChatGPT does. I'll just open this page, and you see it's by Meta, and you can see the specifications. So it has capability like ChatGPT and also Gemini, and you can see there are some similarities. There are quite a number of them, so I'll just choose. So it depends with your machine. The higher the parameters, like this, we have 70B, that's 70 billion parameters. So this will take like 43 gigabytes of your storage. Make sure your storage has a lot of space if you have to go with 70B. But for our case, I'll just choose a smaller one. So let me just go back to the models, and I can go with the LLaMA 3.1. Let me see, I can go with the 3.2. This is just for demonstration purposes. You can choose whichever suits your needs. So I'll just come here. So to install it's really it's easy. Just we have the commands all over the place. It depends with the one you want to install, but I'll just go with the 1B. So this will take at least 1.3 gigabytes of my storage. So I'll just copy this command over here and then open the terminal and paste it here, just like that, and the installation will begin. So I'll just pause, then come back again later when the installation is done. This is very small. It will take a short time to download and install. So our installation is almost complete. Just a few seconds to finish. once done, it will automatically run the model that we are now installing. Yeah, so that's it. It's now finishing up the installation now. It shouldn't take long. Yep, congratulations, it has installed and now running. The model that we've installed is LLaMA 3.2 with 1 billion parameters. So right now you are free to use it the way you want. You can chat with it. Unfortunately, you can only do this on a terminal. Sorry. So if you need to ask it just like you chat with ChatGPT or a Gemini, let's say, we can ask like, what's the capital city? For maybe Germany. So depending with your machine, and you see it's very fast. The capital city of Germany is Berlin. So that's it for now. So feel free to try other models as well. Give them a shot. And that's it. You've turned your PC into a very powerful AI machine with Ollama and LLaMA 3.1 model. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And again, for this is running on terminal, but in the next video tutorial I'll be showing you how you can run it on a GUI, like graphical user interface. So we'll be using Misty for that. So this will be next after this. So thank you very much guys, and thank you so much for watching. Please, if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.